It's late winter and our immune systems have taken a beating over the last 3 or 4 months. Now, one of the things that we do here at Bright Futures Chiropractic to make sure that our community has the best opportunity to be as healthy as possible is we do advanced workshops. Every month we choose a topic that's pertinent to the time of year and we dig deep and deliver information that helps people get a leg up on the environment that we live in. Now, the immune system has been depressed for several different reasons. How we eat, how we move, how we think, the stresses of the holidays, the fact that we're staying inside, we're not moving appropriately. Lots of things happen over the winter, and we're gonna be talking about all of those things at an advanced workshop, just like we do every month for a different topic. So, be sure to keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open for the workshops that we do because they're free. They happen right here in this beautiful community room at the YMCA in Kalona, and they're designed just for you and your family. So make sure that you keep your eyes open and you get to those workshops, which we also do live on Facebook. So be sure to like our Facebook channel, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure that you get the information that we provide so that you can live the life that you want to live. I'm Dr. Chris Grier. Enjoy your day.